guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are subscribed, this is my Mustang. We're going to be LS swapping it. You know, putting the Lord's motor off in that car. So, I've already started working on it, the motor a little bit. That's what we're going to be working on today. This is a little LC953. Came out of a pickup truck. Yeah. We're going to go ahead and tear it down. Bought it fairly cheap from a buddy of mine. It ain't too bad. I've seen worse. But we're going to be tearing this down, cleaning it up, and putting in that motor eventually in the next few videos. So, my goal today is to tear this down and start getting those parts put on. So, yep. Oh, also, if you don't have one of these stands, bought it off of Amazon. It's not the ICT billet one, but I'd highly recommend getting one. It doesn't, if you don't realize, the motor doesn't sag like it would with the, I guess, the arms on it or whatever. So yeah, get you one of these mounts. That's the name of it. Chinesium. So let's go over the parts we got today. Let's go over the main part, the cam. So as I mentioned in the last video, we're going to be putting nitrous on this car. So why wouldn't we put a nitrous cam in there? So what we did was we went with a TIC Performance. I don't know if y'all can read that. TIC Performance 5.3 nitrous cam. So we're gonna go with that. I got some other parts laying over there with amongst everything else. Guys, Trinity upgrade from our boys over at LX Acceleration. I always order parts from these guys. They always get them out fairly quick. I ain't gonna say they're local to me, but they're a lot quicker than Texas Speed or BTR. So got that. We got some dual valve springs, 660 lift, you know, the usual stuff. We got some rail lifters. I ran these in my last car and the motor that blew up, you know. So we're going to be using our valve covers that we just recently put on, and now we had to take them off and everything. We are going to go with truck spacing. So, but let's go ahead and start tearing this motor down. Let's get everything taken off. There's probably going to be a lot of stuff I'll do off camera just because of it being so time consuming. I'm not trying to drag this video out, guys. If you got a question, leave it down in comments down below.
About to break the lock, coming in hot, taking the top spot. Yeah, I never stop, watch me make the drop. Whole world's gonna feel the shock when the bass knocks. Pressure's on, can you feel the heat? Everybody on their feet. Get ready, here we go, can't be beat.
Guys. So we got our all torn down. You see the good old DOD lifters down in there. Everything looks good. All it needs is some cleaning up, which we'll be doing off camera. Oh, there we go. Those look like fairly new head gaskets. But yeah. Going to clean it up. We'll have to plug those holes there. which I got something for that, but let's see if I can find them. Yeah, we got some bearings here we'll put off in there. I think there's more of them there, but yeah, moving right along. Hopefully we get the cam and everything put in today, and if so, we'll be that one much step closer to putting in that car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and remove lifter trays, lifters, and probably tear off the timing cover, probably oil pan first, and then timing cover, and go ahead and get everything ready to be pulled out. Hopefully the cam bearings are good, guys. Keep your fingers crossed. So that's what we're going to do. We'll go ahead and finish tearing everything down, get it taken off, and go from there. Keep on rolling. Oh, guys, got it all tore down. Let's see. Got some lifters there. Yeah. So for the most part, I don't know if y'all can see that. I ain't got my light out. I ain't worried about it, but cam bearings look good for the most part through all of them. So let me show y'all the cam. It's got some wear on it, but nothing too concerning. So now what we get to do is I'm going to clean up this block, clean up all the stuff on get all the seals and stuff cleaned up. We'll be able to start putting the new cam in, lifters, and start getting the heads assembled and all that jazz. So I'm going to go ahead and work on cleaning this up and then update y'all as I go along. But for the most part, we're moving on along with this car. So let's focus on the motor, get this done, and get it knocked out. But for the most part, we're looking good. I haven't seen no metal shavings or anything, just some dirty oil, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna move right on along and keep y'all updated as I go. Ooh, we are making some progress, guys. Got it all cleaned up, got the surface cleaned up the pistons a little bit. So unfortunately, when I pulled the heads off, two of the lifter trays didn't have bolts. So we're only going to be able to do one head today. So I'm going to do the head and finish up this motor. That way we're not sitting still. But before I start putting everything back together, we got us a new oil pan. Winch tray, dipstick. Got us some ARP bolts. We're not going to use studs because, again, nitrous motor. Not too really much worried about it. So we're going to use the bolts. I'm going to go ahead and start working on getting one head put on. I'm going to clean up the surface on that too, and move right along. I'm going to put one set of lifters in and go from there. So I'm going to update y'all as I go. Try to knock out as much as I can today and get some bolts tomorrow for the other lifter trays. But yeah, let's rock on. Ooh, it's been a day, guys. It's been a day. Got most of the car done. Well, not car. Got most of the motor done. Like I said previously, gotta get 2 bolts for the lifter trays. So yeah, let me show y'all what we got. So we got the dual valve springs in, and we got the ARP bolts in. That is done. I still have to do the Trini upgrade. I'm gonna do that off camera. If you're looking for a tutorial video, that's not gonna be this. I'm gonna do all that off camera. It's really time consuming, so I'm gonna do that. Once we get the lifter tray bolts, we can put the other side on, but for the most part, the motor's done. We got the oil pan on. Did that off camera. Got the oil pump on. We ended up having to use the old oil pump from this motor because I guess whenever the motor started knocking, got a lot of scoring on it. So I don't know if y'all can tell. Y'all can definitely tell on the inside though. Well, I don't know. Yeah, there you go. So we got that done. But yeah, won't be long, and this car will actually be LS swapped. So for the most part, I think I'm gonna call it on this video. I'm gonna call it on this video. We're gonna finish up the 5.3 tomorrow. Next video, y'all will see either one or two things. We start hooking up the wiring for the to control the motor, or we start working on the suspension, swapping out that K member. But yeah, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this one. If you're new here, go hit that subscribe button. Got more coming. I'll teach as much as I can about this swap. If you got any questions, what parts I'm using, or anything that I haven't discussed in this video, leave a comment down below. Hit that thumbs up. It doesn't take much to hit that thumbs up, guys. I try to support small channels, the ones I do watch. So please support me. Appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see y'all in the next one.